Chicago, Illinois 14th and 15th of January, 2026. A fast-moving snow squall swept through parts of northern and central Illinois on Wednesday, 14th of January 2026, causing sudden whiteout conditions, travel disruptions, and minor accumulations during the morning rush hour. While not a prolonged, severe snowstorm, the event led to hazardous driving, airport delays, and warnings from the National Weather Service, S.W.X, highlighting the dangers of rapid weather changes in the region. The squall, driven by a cold front and gusty northwest winds, raced southward from Wisconsin into northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. Winds gusted between 40 and 60 miles per hour, reducing visibility to as low as 100 feet in some areas. Snowfall rates peaked at 1 to 2 inches per hour, with temperatures dropping 5 to 8 degrees in just 30 minutes. Accumulations were generally light, ranging from a dusting to around 2 inches in isolated spots. But the combination of heavy bursts and blowing snow created treacherous conditions on roadways. In Chicago, O'Hare International Airport reported 1.2 inches of snow, while Midway Airport saw 1.3 inches. Other reports included 2 inches in Evanston and 1.6 inches in Romeoville, according to NWS data. Snow squall warnings were issued for several counties, including Cook, Will, Kankakee, Lake, and Porter, effective through mid-morning. The NWS described the hazards as intense bursts of heavy snow and flash freeze on roads, urging drivers to avoid travel if possible. In central Illinois, similar warnings covered Bureau and Putnam counties, where bursts along interstates like I-80 and I-180 led to slick spots on untreated surfaces. Visibility in downtown Chicago plummeted as the squalls hit, with videos capturing near-zero conditions amid the urban landscape. Travel impacts were significant but short-lived. A ground stop was enforced at O'Hare Airport due to the reduced visibility, delaying flights during peak hours. Multiple crashes were reported on major routes, including interstates in the Chicago metro area, though no major injuries were immediately confirmed. Local authorities advised extra caution, with some schools in affected areas opting for delays or e-learning. By midday, the squalls tapered off, leaving behind blustery winds and falling temperatures into the mid-20s Fahrenheit, around -4 degrees Celsius. This event followed a broader winter weather pattern across the Midwest, including lake-effect snow warnings in neighboring northwest Indiana and southwest Michigan. Where heavier accumulations of 6 to 12 inches were forecast. In Illinois, however, the focus remained on the brief squalls rather than widespread heavy snow. No statewide winter storm warnings were in place, and southern parts of the state saw minimal effects, with only scattered light snow or mixed precipitation earlier in the week. Meteorologists attribute the squalls to an Arctic air mass pushing southward, enhancing instability over the relatively warmer Lake Michigan waters. These are not your typical snowstorms. They strike quickly and can turn safe roads dangerous in minutes, said an S.W.X spokesperson in Chicago. While the immediate threat has passed, forecasters warn of continued cold, with highs struggling to reach freezing through the weekend. Light scattered snow is possible Thursday night into Friday, but accumulations are expected to remain under an inch in most areas. Looking ahead, longer-range predictions from sources like the Farmer's Almanac suggest potential for a more significant snow event around 21st January 2026, with frigid conditions following. However, current models from the S.W.X and Climate Prediction Center indicate above-normal precipitation chances for January in Illinois, but no immediate severe storms are forecast. Residents are advised to monitor updates, as lake effect bands could shift and bring isolated heavier snow to lakeshore communities. The incident underscores the volatility of Midwestern winters, where even brief events can disrupt daily life. Emergency services reported no widespread power outages or major infrastructure damage, but the squalls served as a reminder to prepare for sudden changes. As of January 15th, conditions in Illinois have improved, with mostly sunny skies and highs in the upper 20s Fahrenheit, around -2 degrees Celsius, expected. If the current pattern persists, northern Illinois could face escalating winter challenges in the coming days. While the intense snow squall of 14th January has largely passed, leaving only minor lingering effects, forecasters warn of a prolonged wintry regime settling over the region. Persistent cold air over the Great Lakes, combined with northwest winds, is expected to sustain lake-effect snow showers, particularly near the shoreline. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.